trees were weeping in the evenings where we used to pass them by.